Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a Namecheap domain to your Vercel. And this tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now first things you need to do is copy your domain name and go to Vercel. Then go to your settings right there at the top. And from here you want to go to your domains. From here you of course want to go ahead and add your website just like so. Add it. Now you can add and redirect to it, and this is the recommended option, so I'm just going to do that too. Click add. Now what you will need to do, as you can see, you need to add a record and a CNAME record. You can also just go ahead and change the name servers, but if they recommend to do this one, then do that. So to add a records, DNS records, first of all, your name server should be Namecheap, and then you're going to click Advanced DNS. And from here, you can go ahead and scroll down and you will see that you can add a new record. So we need to add a record. A host should be this one. And now you need to copy the IP address they are asking for, just like so. After that, you also need to add a CNAME record, just like so. So go ahead again, add a CNAME record, just like so. Save the changes, and it has been added. Now you will need to wait a little bit for it to recognize that you have changed the DNS settings. It may take like up to half an hour or so. And after that, your Namecheap domain will be added here. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.